In this video, I'm going to show you how to take the device, an AX3 device which has got a recording on it, and download that information to your computer, and then clear the device ready to be recorded on again. So, first of all, open up the graphical user interface. So again, this top area shows which devices are connected, and right now there aren't any connected. So I'm going to go and plug an AX3 device into the computer. So, when the device is successfully found by the computer, it will start to appear up in this top window. If I select it, you can see an overview of some of the data in this central panel here. So with the devices that are currently connected, we can see that the device number, a session ID, and the remaining battery are all shown, and the state of any recording that may be on there. So this device, I can immediately see, has got some information, and it tells me how it was configured to record. This overview can be used as a quick check to see whether the recording is as you might expect. It gives you a sense of how long the recording is by highlighting hours differently, and you can then zoom in and explore the data. So I can, for example, zoom in slightly at this piece of the data and see what the device was doing at the time. And then some different options for what to show on this graph. For example, I could look at the light levels over time, or the temperature levels, and so on. When you're satisfied that you'd like to record this data, if the device recording is still ongoing, a stop button will appear, and you can use that to indicate to the device not to record any more data. If the device is currently in a stopped state, so no longer recording, you can actually download the device data. So you just hit the download button, and the data will be downloaded into your current working folder. And when you are finished with the device data and you're satisfied that the download is completed, feel free to clear the device, and this frees it up to be used again for another recording. So I'll just hit the clear button here. Now this thoroughly wipes the device and removes all trace of any data that's been on it. If you have several devices attached at the same time, the Identify button on the top will make the LED on the device flash. This might make it easier to find a particular device that you're interested in, if you've got lots of them connected at once. Okay, so on the bottom edge here, it shows you the files that you've downloaded, and this is the file that we just downloaded now, and you can see that selecting a device will show you again the preview window, same preview data as we saw earlier. And a word here about the workspace that we're in. You'll see here that it indicates a directory name on the computer that the files have been copied to, and the ones that it's currently showing you. So on the right hand side of this workspace area, there are 3 dots which allow us to change the working folder that we're using. So if you'd like to use a different folder, you can click on that. And then a button that opens the working folder in Explorer, which lets you see the files themselves. And a refresh button that you shouldn't normally need to use. It will update the list of files. So that's it. There's a brief overview for downloading the data, and I'll show you how to process the data in the next video.